They're swimming. They're coming here, buddy. Oh yeah, that's what's funny too. They're swimming and they're in the river, and the river is flowing this way. They were on the shore, like you can't miss them, right? And they just got in the water. They're coming across, and they are literally gonna land here. You see them? 2 bears. Oh, they're big. Oh, they're brown bears. They're coming right here, dude. They're looking right at me. Hey, hey, go away. Oh, they're coming, they're coming. Hey, hey, go. Hey. Okay, well, they look big enough.